Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I actually just got a package in the mail, and here is something for server setup, because I've been trying on this for weeks and I cannot get it working. Like I said, I've already got my refund, so I just don't feel like right now putting any more time into it. I might look into it in the future, trying to get it fixed, but right now I'm not really doing anything. So I decided to go the unmanaged route so I can actually just get it up and running. So, here, let me, I paid $12.50 for this. Sorry, everyone. It comes with a power cord, wasn't expecting that. Now, the actual device. I'll have to set y'all down for a second. Give me 1 minute. Okay, everyone, here's what I bought. It's a Dell Power Connect unmanaged 24-port switch with a 21 for the 25th switch is just where you plug in your Ethernet for the entire switch. This is a gigabit switch, I'm pretty sure. And like I said, I got this because I really needed a switch for my setup, and we're about to get some IP cameras, so I'm really needing this. Holy crap, that's dirty. It's unmanaged, so it should just be plug and play. And yeah, so let's go over and see here at the thing. What am I gonna do here? Honestly, I'm just gonna unplug the Sonic wall for right now, because it ain't plugged up anyway. I haven't had time to configure it. So I'm just gonna unplug Sonic wall, set it right down there, and then next, let me get the power cord. Ow! Come on, we are going to grab the scissors. Yeah, kind of hard one-handed, everyone. There we go. Starting to come undone. Like I said, had to come up, kind of unpoint the camera. Man, so I can. Okay, I got it now. Sorry for the messy area. And I think I'm just gonna put the switch under the Sonic wall for now, until you get the mounting ears on it to mount it on the rack. I think it will just go right there for now, and then just put the Sonic wall on top. Okay, let me get it plugged up, and then we can see if it'll work. I'll see you in a second. Okay, so this video quickly turned into a can we fix it video, because these fans, that ain't working. It ain't getting enough air, and that is not good. So I'll have to take this panel off, and then I'll have to clean the things inside, and hopefully that would do it. I'll see y'all in a second. Okay, so I've done some research now, and I think that's the noise it's supposed to make when working. I think just the normal sound of the fans. It's just kind of crazy, but you know, if it works, it works. So now, this is just a computer I actually got for free the other day. Yeah, and we're in, kind of. It loaded into there. So I'm gonna load up youtube.com and see if it loads up. Because so far it looks like the internet's working. This is a Windows XP machine. It's gonna take a minute. Even though it says Windows 7 on it, it was given to me with Windows XP. But yeah, this thing's loud. Like, y'all can hear that thing loud. You're not connected to a private network. I know, Lord. They're saying YouTube's unsafe. Which is not good. So far, so good. Normally I have this fan running on it, which with the fan, it's loud. That's the normal sound of it. The fan basically covers up this sound of that. So over here, where my setup is, it's definitely hearable. But with my headphones on, it's not gonna be too hearable. And then normally I have my AC unit, because it's hot as hell in my room. Normally I have my AC unit on. Jesus, XP is taking forever. Come on, you slow piece of crap. Yeah, hold up. I will be right back with y'all. I'm just gonna plug my main PC in because I think the XP machine is about to break. So I'll get back with y'all in a second. Okay, let me turn this fan off right quick. I just plugged in my main machine, which is the black cable. It goes up there, and then it comes down on the floor here, then back into my main gaming rig. And then over here, I haven't tried to really... Oh god, let me get my mouse, because I have to share my mouse between my server and then all the PCs. So now I got my mouse. And this is the cheapo budget computer that I built the other day that y'all saw on this YouTube channel. And you see here, we're gonna go to a website. Let's just say YouTube. 100% working. Let's go. So now we have a working 12 port switch. Not 12, 24 port switch. So this is great. So now I can finally have more connections on the server. I'm gonna try to turn down the fans, which I don't think it can. But I'm gonna try. But thank you guys so much for watching and have a good day.